One Stickman video gets over 7 million views. Another gets over 3 million. And dozens of Stickman channels are pulling in millions of views with the exact same animation style. The secret isn't the animation. It's the AI workflow behind it. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process in a few simple steps from idea to finished animation. Let's get started. Before we generate anything, don't make the mistake most beginners make, using a character that's too detailed. Instead, pick one simple Stickman and use it throughout the entire video. Search Stickman animation character on Google or Pinterest, or generate your own with AI. For this tutorial, I'll be using one of these. The process is exactly the same, no matter which one you choose. Now let's move on to the part that determines whether people keep watching. This is where most beginners go wrong. They think the animation is what gets views. It isn't. The story is. If viewers aren't curious about what happens next, they'll click away, no matter how good your animation looks. I'm using Claude for this, but ChatGPT works just as well. I will paste in this prompt. This prompt is designed to make Claude generate ideas that are not just interesting, but actually clickable. It tells Claude to focus on curiosity, psychology, emotional triggers, and topics with strong storytelling potential. Then hit send. Within seconds, AI generates 20 different story ideas. Here's the mistake most people make. They choose the first one they see. Instead, look for the idea that immediately creates curiosity. For example, Stickman goes to school. There's nothing wrong with it, but nothing makes you want to click. Now compare it with the Stickman who woke up invisible. Immediately, your brain starts asking questions. How? Why? Will he ever become visible again? That's curiosity, but curiosity alone isn't enough. The strongest stories combine curiosity with emotion and stakes. For example, Stickman can't focus. There's a problem, but the stakes don't feel very high. Now compare it with the Stickman who couldn't focus for more than 10 seconds. Suddenly, you have questions. What happened to him? Can he recover? That's the kind of emotional curiosity that keeps people watching. Or compare this. Stickman becomes rich versus the poor Stickman who secretly owned an apartment building. If he owned the building, why was he poor? That's the kind of curiosity that makes people want to keep watching. For this tutorial, I'm choosing this topic, why you can't focus anymore. And in a few minutes, you'll see how AI automatically turns that one idea into every scene, image, and animation prompt we'll need. Now, copy the prompt from the description and paste it into Claude. Enter your preferred video length and your story idea, then hit send. Within seconds, AI generates a complete storytelling script. A voiceover script, image prompts for every scene, animation prompts for every shot. You can then download the entire script or copy and paste it into your text editor. Instead of planning every scene yourself, your entire production workflow is already mapped out. By this point, we already have something most beginners spend hours creating manually. A complete story blueprint. Now, let's bring the Stickman character to life. Before we generate any visuals, let's create the foundation of the entire video first, the voiceover. Most people jump straight into creating images. I prefer generating the narration first, because the voiceover becomes the blueprint for every scene that comes next. Every image, animation, and camera movement is timed around this narration. That keeps the pacing consistent and saves hours of re-editing later. Now, let's generate it. Copy the narration you generated in Claude. Then open your preferred AI voice generator. I'm using Google AI Studio. Choose a voice that fits your story. Paste in the script. Click Run. Within seconds, your narration is ready. Play through the first few lines, just to make sure everything sounds natural.
Every morning, you sit down ready to focus. And then, buzz. One notification. Just a quick look, right?
If you're happy with it, download the voiceover and you're ready for the next step. At this point, the hardest part is already done. We have our character, our story, our script, and our narration. Now it's time to bring it all to life. There's one mistake that ruins most AI Stickman videos. The character changes from scene to scene. Here's how to stop that. Open Google Flow and create a new project. Click this plus icon and upload your Stickman character. Once it finishes uploading, click on the 3 dots and select Add to Prompt. This tells Google Flow to use the same character throughout the entire video. That simple step keeps everything looking consistent. Now go back to Claude. Copy the image prompt for scene 1. Paste it into Google Flow. Click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first scene is ready. And just like that, your story is no longer just words. It's becoming a real scene. Now repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. Copy the prompt. Generate the image. Move on to the next one. One quick tip: don't waste time trying to make every image perfect. If the scene clearly communicates the story, move on. Your viewers care much more about the story than tiny visual details. You can always regenerate a scene later if something looks off. Now we have every scene we need. Let's make them animate. Static images already tell the story. Animation simply brings those scenes to life. And the best part? AI does almost all the work. Open your first generated image. Click the 3 dots, then select Animate. Paste in the matching video prompt from Claude. Next, click the settings icon and choose your aspect ratio. Then select how many variations you'd like to generate. Choose Omni Flash as the video model and click Save. Finally, click Generate. Within moments, your static image becomes a fully animated scene. If you want to experiment with different motion styles, you can also try Veo 3.1 Lite. You may need to make small adjustments to your prompt, then generate the scene again and compare the results. Once you're happy with the animation, repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Once every scene has finished generating, the hardest part is already behind us. Now, let's put everything together. Open your favorite video editor. Import all of your animated clips, along with the voiceover. Arrange each scene in the correct order. Then sync every clip with the matching narration. Once everything flows naturally, export your video. And that's it. Your AI Stickman animation is finished and ready to publish.
Every morning, you sit down ready to focus. And then, buzz. One notification. Just a quick look, right? But one look turns into 5 tabs, 3 apps, and a dozen half-finished thoughts. 20 minutes later, you're still on the same sentence. Your brain feels foggy. Here's the truth. Your focus isn't broken. It's just being pulled in too many directions at once. So he does one simple thing. Phone away, 1 tab, 1 task. And just like that, the fog lifts. One thing at a time is all it takes.
And that's the complete workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, the prompts are linked below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.